Let's check solutions using our negative number operations. Number 1. Is x equals 2 a solution to the equation negative 4x plus 6 equals negative 2? Step 1. Substitute the variable with the given value. The value for the variable x is 2, and we are going to substitute 2 into the variable located in the equation, and our equation will now be negative 4 times positive 2 plus 6 equals negative 2. You use parentheses when substituting into a variable with a coefficient. That way we know that we are multiplying the negative 4 and the positive 2. How did we substitute? We substituted by taking the value that was given from the problem, x equals 2, and replacing the variable x with the value positive 2, in this case using parentheses since we are substituting into a variable with the coefficient negative 4. Step 2. Evaluate each side until it's a comparison of numbers. Over here on the left side we have some operations to do. On the right side it already has negative 2, so there is nothing to evaluate. We'll start with the negative 4 times positive 2. We are multiplying with different signs, so our product will be negative 4 times 2 is 8, and negative 8 since the signs are different. Negative 8 plus 6, we are now combining different signs, negative 8 and a positive 6, so we will subtract 8 minus 6 is 2, and we will keep the greatest sign. 8 is greater than 6, so we will keep the value negative. Negative 2 equals negative 2. And so now we have a comparison of numbers. How did we evaluate each side? On the right side there was nothing to evaluate, just a negative 2, so we just brought the negative 2 down in the equation each time. On the left hand side we did some multiplication, then we did some combining while using our negative numbers and using our combining rules. First for multiplication with different signs, negative 8, and then combining different signs and subtracting and then keeping the greatest sign, ending up with a negative 2 on the left hand side. Step 3. Check if the value is a solution. We know that the value is a solution if this final number comparison is true, and it is true. So yes, x equals 2 is a solution to the equation negative 4x plus 6 equals negative 2, and we know because we took the value x equals 2, we replaced it in the equation, we evaluated both sides, and we ended with a true comparison of numbers. How did we check if the value is a solution? We checked that the value was a solution by substituting the value x equals 2 into the equation, evaluating carefully using our combination rules for positive and negatives, and ending up with a true number comparison. So yes, x equals 2 is a solution. You are now ready to check the solution in the statement for problem number 2.